I did a video talking about the need for investments, especially for women, young girls. They need to start investing on time, and you would thank yourself years from now that you did so. When I was in Nigeria, I was using Bamboo. There's an app called Bamboo. I was using it in Nigeria. Well, after I left, I disabled the app because I started using the app for investment in Canada. So that's the app I'm using now. But recently, I reactivated the Bamboo app because I liquidated my investment then and disabled the app. So this app is what I'll be explaining in this video, how you can use it to invest in stock. You can invest in Nigerian stock. You can invest in US stock. The app is secure. I'm not being paid to advertise this app. I'm not influencing for Bamboo. I'm just talking out of my own experience, what I know. I'm sharing my knowledge, and please do your own research. I'm not a financial analyst or a financial advisor, though I'm a chartered accountant. But you guys should listen to this video, and if you have any question beyond this video, because I got a lot of calls, people requesting for information, and I'm not able to reach out to everybody and start talking on the phone with everybody. It will take a lot of my time and energy. So I decided to do this video. But if you have additional specific questions after listening to this video or watching this video, you can now DM me. Alright. So you download Bamboo app from your Google Play Store or App Store using your email, phone number, BVN. Very important. BVN is what will allow you to legally invest in Nigerian stock from you're using Bamboo, right? To access Nigerian stock from Bamboo. So they will ask for your government ID as part of KYC, know your customer, then selfie, address, and all of that. Then this know your customer is a very important step. Without it, you cannot trade. Then you activate your NGX. NGX is like the Nigerian Stock Exchange. So you go to NG Stocks in Bamboo app and click activate. You'll be asked for your BVN and bank details. You fill in your own Nigerian bank details. Then you create, Bamboo will create a link to your CSCS account. It will connect to NGX with your information. And it's Bamboo that will do it for you after you have provided your BVN. They will be able to link so that you are able to see Nigerian stock in Bamboo and you can buy. So that's the step for Bamboo. Then when you want to buy, you go to Nigerian NG stock. Then you can search for the stock you want to buy. Then you deposit money into your wallet. You transfer from your bank to the wallet of Bamboo. That's where you'll be buying from, right? So you can buy any stock that you want. Like I said, do your own research. I will recommend in this video 5 stocks that I like. I'm not saying you should buy it. If you want to buy, you can do your own investigation or research before you buy. Banking industry, GTCO and Zenith in banking industry. Telecommunication, MTN. Then cement for construction, BUA, and Dangote first, BUA second. These are my top 5 if you want to invest. Then yes, I'll add another one, Aradel. Aradel is an energy company. If you want, that's the 6th one for me. So, but the top 5, GTCO, Zenith, BUA, Dangote, and MTN. These stocks are doing very well, but subject to your own research. So now, when you want to start doing investment, the first type of investment as a newbie is short-term investment, which are Treasury Bills and money market funds, mutual funds. Go to your banks and check out these 2 that I mentioned. You can start with them. But if you don't want to start with the short term, you want to start with the stock, buying stock, you can go and through Bamboo, after you've done this download, to buy the stock that you want outside what I mentioned. If you want the ones I mentioned, you can go ahead, but do your own research. Then the next level, when you are comfortable with your Nigerian stock portfolio and you want to go international, you can invest in S&P 500 through the US stock. There's a US stock within Bamboo. Through that, you can invest in US stocks. But it's advisable to invest in S&P 500 because it's top 500 performing stock in the stock market that they have put together as an ETF, where you can use small money and you're able to invest in it. Very good. So that even if one of the stock is doing badly, there is any other one to cushion the effect. So you can do that. So if you want, there are other investments you can do beyond this international investment that I mentioned, but I don't want to mention in this video because it's kind of sensitive. I don't want people to, it's volatile, but it has a lot of potential. And it's where we are going in when it comes to financial system innovation. So that one, if you want to know about that one, you can come to my DM as well. So like I said, go to the banks for your Treasury Bills and money market funds or mutual funds. Then for money market funds, you can use Cowrywise and PiggyVest. Those two apps, they are also good, but I always say do your own research. So that's all I want to share in this video. If you want more information as to investments, how to go about, or beyond stock, other things that you can put your money in that I will recommend for you. Like I said, I'm not a financial expert, but from the experience I have, I can guide, I can recommend for you. You can send me a DM. And I plan on doing another, maybe a live session where I can now be sharing screen, if possible, for people to see how this thing actually looks. But if you want to do any of this step that I mentioned and you're finding difficult, you're struggling, you can do me a DM, then we'll take it up from there. But just know that one-on-one consultation, because I might be too busy, there might be some condition for one-on-one consultation depending on how much time it's going to take me. If it's something that is easy, I can always answer you on a DM. But if it's something that's going to take much of my time, because I've done research to come here to do this video, but if it's something that requires that I do further research, take my time, talk to you a long time on the phone, because it's not only you that wants to get this information, then there might be some conditions to it. I like being transparent. Thank you guys for always listening, always watching. I wish you all the best on your journey towards financial freedom, because it is very important. Stop saving your money. If you need, I will advise you to stop saving your money. If you have money that you want to keep for some time, 2, 3 months, 5 months, and you don't want to touch it, go and put it in Treasury Bill or money market fund, because those are short term. But if you leave your money in a bank, just saving your money in a bank, your money is losing value. So you need to tie it to something that appreciates. And the best way to do it, if you want longer term, you can do stock. But if you want something that you can liquidate within 3 months, 6 months, 12 months, go and get yourself into mutual funds or Treasury Bills. All right, bye.